Alright, I think we're gonna try to go in Marshall's, see if they have anything in here, and let's head in. So first thing you see when we walk in is the St. Patty's Day stuff, which today is St. Patty's Day. Happy St. Patty's Day, or I should say St. Patrick's Day. So cute, right? Well, this I actually filmed, I want to say earlier in the week. So I believe all this stuff is probably on sale now. So make sure you check out your guys's TJ Maxx, Marshalls to see if they've marked down their St. Patty's Day yet. So many cute things. I am going to be doing a voiceover on all of these. I hope you guys don't mind the voiceovers like this, or would you rather have music? Comment below. Do you guys want like a shop with me if I talk to you about what's going on in the store or whatever comes to mind? Comment below. What would you prefer? Now, I walked towards the back of the store and they had these beautiful wreaths. The one though, you see it, the bunny butt. How stinking cute is that? I want to say that was like $24.99. How cute is that with his little tush hanging out? But this lemon one is beautiful. I really would like to do a nice lemon wreath this summer. That one I want to say I think was $29, but just gorgeous wreaths. This is where I told you you definitely can find something really nice at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, in the wreath department. Now they had this chocolate bunnies, you guys, in the larger canister, and I had it in the cart and I put it back. And then I had it in the cart, then I put it back. These little egg plates are very cute. They're only $4.99. I'm trying to show you guys these salt and pepper shakers. Those were $3.99. I'm still having some issues lifting things, you know, with a hand, but I'm trying to work it. This bunny rabbit canister is adorable for only $9.99. No, it's not Ray Dunn, but it's so cute. And so I go over here to the egg mugs. I think maybe what we'll do is I'll talk some and I'll have music in other parts is what we'll do. Oh, look at this. You see me just stopping. I can't help myself. But they had a bunny buns, but it didn't have the bun on it. This one is adorable too. For, I don't know. I didn't show you very well now, did I? There was a robin's egg there. They had quite a few little Easter stuff. Tons of the chick stuff in my store. As you'll see in the next, probably the next clip as I move up. But these are adorable. They're great for tier trays. I think we're going to do a tier tray, Easter tray together. Is one of the things I'd like to do. I'd like to do a little more decorate with me's because I'm trying not to buy as much, guys. I feel like I have a good amount for my Easter and spring. I told you maybe a couple bunnies, but yeah, look at all these flower childs, bunny loves. I think people are over the bunny heads. Comment below. Are you done with bunny heads? Like, are you ready to move on if you're still loving all the Ray Dunn? That was really nice, the iced tea and then the hold. They didn't have a whole lot of basics in this Marshalls. It was actually quite empty. Those pink plates were very cute. Oh, I just thought that was really pretty for your utensils, if I can spit it out. But yeah, so there wasn't you see there wasn't even a whole lot on the shelves in general for like that area. Now, I think we may have seen these before, but I love that deep blue, that navy blue inside that mug. And the carrot, I don't care it or carrot at all. I have that one and I love that mug. The Peter Rabbit mugs. Who likes Peter Rabbit? Like, I remember that as a child. What about you guys? One other thing I'm going to show you here is these espresso. Oh my gosh, I love those. Those are $12.99, and I just thought those are perfect. I mean, the clear, if you're an espresso drinker, that's like perfect for you. But what are you guys up to today for St. Patty's Day? Or St. Patrick's Day? Are you guys making any type of St. Patrick food? We actually are gonna go to a place. I'm gonna grab us some corned beef sandwiches, and then I'm gonna grab some potatoes. We're gonna just that's what we're gonna do for dinner today. We're making it easy. I had 2 physical therapies today. So for my hip and for my wrist, so from the fall. But you know, that's it. Here's some more. You guys, I'm really on the hunt for some pretty flowers. Comment below if you guys know the best place to get the real like flowers that like tulips. I couldn't think of the name. The tulips, but in a bundle. I don't want them in a container. And all the TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, none of them have just the bundles. They're all in like a vase or some type of vessel holding it. But back to this. Are those not the cutest little eggs? Like, they're so adorable. $16.99, I believe, is what those were. Either $16.99 or $9.99. This was beautiful right here. That white vase with those beautiful flowers. You see me looking for the tag. $24.99. Now, I've noticed my prices already going up a little bit in my stores for things that were typically a little cheaper. Not a whole lot, but definitely going up. Are you guys all decorated for spring? Or are you still waiting a little bit? I'm not going to lie, today we have a beautiful day. It's almost 70 degrees outside. I want to get out and try to take a walk between my physical therapy to help with my hip. Still a little afraid to walk, you guys. Any of you that's been around a while know that I was attacked by a dog 2 years ago. So walking in my neighborhood is a little scary for me, and I haven't done it yet by myself, but it's so beautiful. I really need to get out there and do it and push myself. And I guess that, you know, we got to believe in God, and we got to have faith, that not be in fear, correct? So, but here's some more Cottontail Cutie. I love this mug. And I didn't end up getting the mug that said that. So maybe if once they go on sale after Easter, maybe I'll snag that one up. But I actually have quite a few Easter mugs. I may, there's some that I'm not loving that I bought years before just because I couldn't find anything. So I grabbed whatever. But next store we're going to end up going to is Home Goods. This is not Home Goods yet. This is still Marshalls. And it's funny, they had the Easter treats over in the dog section. I don't think they realized that those are, you know, regular canisters, or someone just sat them there. This was really pretty, you guys, this bathroom set. If you love those bright bursts of color, and then of course they just had the white and black. I like to show that to you guys every once in a while, and I just thought this whole end cap looked beautiful. Now, are you guys pillow people? Because I love buying pillows, but I'm trying not to. But these pillows, like the bee one, Yes, please. That is so cute. And then look at the ones with the little bunnies. I mean, just gorgeous, right? For spring and Easter. This one's really cute. Somebody loves you. Oh, that's the bee one. Is that not pretty, you guys? I want to say that was like $19.99 or $24.99, that one we just showed. But a lot of nice pillows. So if you are a pillow person and you need some spring or Easter, go on. This is a short clip of TJ Maxx. They didn't have much new. This is the only thing I really saw that was like I hadn't seen are these little bunnies, and they have little things. They're $16.99. Comment below, what would you guys do with these? Like, where would you put them in your displays? Or has anybody purchased them? Let me know. Lots of gnomes. I think we need to scale. The stores really need to scale. Oh, sorry. Funny bunny, you guys. Look, it's the blue one. I was going to get it, but I don't really have blue in my decor. So, but is that not cute? And I just had to show this end cap of the Easter stuff. Once again, there, I think that's a Peter Rabbit. Is that not cute? I just love it for $4.99. I love that. If that's still there when things go down, I'm probably going to purchase that one. But, comment below. Gnomes. Do they need to scale back? What do you guys think? I say yes, because my store in my TJ Maxx, there's literally, you know how the big tables, one whole side is just gnomes, like of 2 tables, those big tables. All right, guys, I've ramped it up. Look what I found. A Johanna Parker. That's the first Easter thing I think I've seen, you guys. I think. Maybe I've passed it up, but that was $9.99. That sweet little chick. So, have you guys purchased or seen more Johanna Parker in your stores? Let me know. More Peter Rabbit. I thought these were adorable. The little salt and pepper shaker. I really like those. I gotta tell you, I'm really gonna look at some stuff after Easter, and then I may, some of the stuff I have, I'm not loving it. So maybe I'll bundle it up and sell, you know, some of my stuff. But here I am looking at all the little pink picking daisies. That's cute, right? And then they had the hashtag #1mom. I love that with the yellow daisies. You know, I can't believe I've literally talked almost this whole video. I thought I would like throw in some music for you guys. But you know what? This is one way I get to talk with you. But please, please, guys, anybody that's watching this, comment below. Do you like this? Do you like me just talking to you in general? Or would you prefer me to just talk about the items and prices, or just music? So 1, me talking about items and whatever's going on. 2, just prices and what store I'm at and the item. 3, music. Like, Jamie, we don't want to hear your voice. So let me know, comment below, what do you guys want? I want to do what you guys want. This is my outlet to bring me joy and bring you joy. So let me know. I've missed all kinds of cute stuff. Not talking about this, but did you guys see that? The bunny with the little cabbage. So cute. $14.99 though. I really wish he was a little cheaper. And then there's a salt and pepper shaker that I didn't show you up close. That was adorable. And then, of course, they got the little bowls. And are everybody still buying the little bowls to add in your displays? Okay, guys, the bee collection. How many of you are bee lovers? I will have it this summer. Bees, lemons. I love it. this one right here, Be Happy. I want the topper, you guys. I really love that topper. But I believe all the mugs, I may have the sayings for the mugs they have. And this color, like, I don't get why they did it, that color. I don't dislike the color, but I don't like it for the queen bee and for the bee line. Like, I just don't think it goes. I don't know. Maybe because then you can use it for Mother's Day? Maybe. Queen's Kitchen, super cute. I would like to get that, but the kitchen is really my husband's domain. It's just mine to decorate. I mean, I cook and stuff, but he's really the good cook in the house. I have to admit. I feed us. My food's good, but his is even better. Are these bowls not cute? Those had little Easter bunnies on the side, and I really like that set. I couldn't see the price on that. I want to say they're $9.99. But we're coming close to the end here. And I just want to say my goodbyes. And make sure you guys give me the big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. My channel, I told you I'm like 30 away. So give me the thumbs up, subscribe,